tell them who we are. From the man that has traveled the world, the man that has been to places that only could dream of or imagine, the Cotton Bowl, Washington, D.C., New Ohio State University's Buckeye Invitational, NFL's 50th anniversary, performed at your home opener for the Atlanta Falcons. Denzel Roberts, Fahim Anderson, Megan Harrison, Ja'Cory George, Christian Dio, and David Hamilton. Let's get it! Split! Hey! Put some respect in my name! 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 Hey! The game pays tribute to the late, great Maurice Ray of Wind and Fire, and the great Manny Cole, who opened up with this hot piece of Wind and Fire, entitled Africano. As the band moves into the 1-5 position, it is symbolic of MLK's 15th anniversary. They have been celebrating musical excellence from 2001 to 2016. As the band salutes the late Natalie Cole, they perform this old school tune, I Got Love on My Mind. In the position of ATL, that position is symbolic of Atlanta metro area where we're from. Bands, let's give all these great bands today a round of applause. Everybody has done a wonderful job. Stand to your feet and tell these people what you love to do. It's love, man. Yes. We call this one California. This year, the MLK Kings of Halftime have been invited to perform at the 2017 Tournament of Roses Parade. Yes, the band will be performing at the Rose Bowl. Therefore, we make this 747 plane for you. In the position of the plane. Moving out. The heartbeat, the drive, the post, Ladies and gentlemen, our award-winning drumline. You've seen the movie Drumline before? Well, I'm gonna show you how we do. This drumline is also known as the X Factor. Under the direction of Mr. Corey Lowe and Anthony Pasquini. Showtime! Y'all already know how we do it. Bring it up now, bring it up now, bring it up now, bring it up now. Bring them up now. Get through the hole. Snares. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Bring it up, bring it up. No. Macon, Georgia, you gotta get some of this. You gotta get some. Bring it up now. 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 You paid your money to come see a show, and that's what we gonna bring you, a show. No king can be complete without a queen. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the queen of halftime. To a new school piece entitled I Want It All. Let's go. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. As you know, the Kings will be traveling to Pasadena, California for the Rose Bowl. However, we need your help. If you would like to help the Kings travel expenses, you'll see the ushers with the hats. Please donate. Help this African American man make it to Pasadena, California. Look out for your people. Go ahead and handle your business.